And I said that what is zikr? This is a most misunderstood subject, like many other subjects, just as the conception of jihad, distorted, perverted. In the same way, what is zikr? Zikr, I gave you the definition in Arabic words, istihzarullah fil qalb. Keep Allah present in your heart. Istihzar, presence. To keep Allah present in your heart. Istihzarullah fil qalb, it is zikr. And this will strengthen your defenses against shaitan, as well as against your id or libido, your lower or baser self, your nafs-e ammara. Your nafs-e ammara is invading you. It wants to take you away. Inna nafsa la-ammaratun bis-su. It wants to take you towards the shameful acts, towards munkar, towards injustice, towards getting wealth by hook or by crook, by halal or by haram. This nafs-e ammara, it has to. Its duty is to bid to you towards whatever is bad and whatever is shameful. Now to protect, you should have Allah in your heart. And to have Allah in your heart is zikr. So this is actually but why, what are the means? How to do it? We have termed the means of zikr as zikr. So this is the mistake. Zikr is something else. Zikr is to have Allah in your heart.